I just don't see the point to why they didn't just make it the exact size if they were trying the DURAMAX out in a GMT400 before the 800 came out. You know? So this intercooler, I believe, is an LLY intercooler. That's what I was told when I bought it from the guy. But if it fits, it ships. Do you? I don't know. It's so weird. Like the holes where the body mounts are is what I'm mostly worried about when the intercooler's in there. But like with that said,
on this side, you look down through the hole the AC lines run through. See how it cuts in like.
oh, it cuts in right at the right spot.
Yeah.
So you're thinking if we center it correctly, it probably wouldn't be
like
an
4 inches, at least on this side. It'll be like 4 inches of clearance.
So you just need like a low profile socket, or you cut the core support a little. Because like when I've done these, I use a shallow socket on a breaker bar to hold because the bolt goes down.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? To like hold the top of the bolt, or you weld a tab to the bolt so that it kind of encapsulates itself like a Ford does.
That's good thinking.
I mean, for a Chinese part, and to me it's free, right? I gave Jim a set of tires for an entire truck, and this happened to come with it. So I get brake parts off of it for the service truck, and I get this for the service truck. It is kind of eerie how when it's here, this looks really small. Like when it's in the truck and you're looking at it with the grill off, it looks big, but now you're like looking at it and it looks small.
Yeah.
You know?
Oh, yeah, there's like 6 inches
Of just
blocked off shit.
extra.
The radiator in a 6.5 is 30. The core is 34 inches wide. So even with the stock radiator, there's still.
Unless this thing is different. You know what I'm
5 inches.
You know what I'm saying? Unless this is not as wide as like the one on the truck itself. Right? No, I think it is like that. I don't know. I don't have a spare radiator here. Your truck runs just a touch warmer than my truck's, because yours has got a Chinese one in it from whatever they were doing to it. I don't know what they were doing to it.
Yeah. Yeah, you know, just like this stamping is.
Extra, like it's meant to be. It looks like it's meant to be cut out like a dimple for a screw in a license plate or in a bumper, you know.
Yeah.
Well, everyone can comment and tell me what they think about our crazy idea. It was pushed on me by Hugh, though. Hugh told me, he's like, if you have an LLY intercooler, it will fit. I'm like, it'll just fit in? He's like, just a little bit of trimming. And it's like, for me, it's a lot of bit of trimming, but for Hugh, I guess it must be a little bit of trimming. So I'm pretty sure he said he cut these off completely,
Yeah.
and then used the factory mount, but I'd have to talk to him again about it and watch his video that he made. But he said that he was like, it was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. I was like, okay.
Notch that out. You know, slice that all the way out. Cut straight down there. Should just sit right in it. There are 2 holes in the bottom, obviously.
Yeah. I'm just still debating cutoff wheel or plasma cutter. I mean, it's pretty well centered in there. I mean, it seems like it's close. Right? Because like this is right here. And that's right there. It almost does fit. Oh well. Next video will be chopped up, I guess.